How to find saved videos on YouTube. Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to give you a little tutorial on how to find the saved videos on your YouTube, on your mobile phone and your desktop. Okay, let's get right into it. On your mobile, you're going to click on the YouTube icon and you will click on the three dots to save a video that you want to save. Then you can either click on the C list, save to watch later, or you can click on the library down below and you will have the playlists option where you have your like videos and your watch later, which you can click on. And then there you will see all of your saved videos. To save the video on your desktop app, you're going to go to the video that you want to save, go to these three dots, click on them and click on save. Then you will have the options where you want to save it to. So I want to save it to watch later. Okay. And then to go view the watch later videos, you're going to click on the three bars, scroll down to watch later, and then it will give you all of the videos that you wanted to watch later. Here you go. Hey guys, I hope this was helpful. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.